Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now we're going to be talking about connecting to the servers to Warzone 2 because a lot of people are struggling with this. Some people can't even get onto the game. So if you are struggling to get into a lobby, like for me right now, it's taking a bit longer than normal, but this is normal. There's a massive queue of people on the game, but this is what to do if you're struggling to get into a lobby. All you're simply going to do, like I'm struggling right now, is back out here. We're going to close it down. That's all we need to do. When we close it down, it's going to reset all of the data to the servers, and then it's going to load back up. As it loads back up, it's going to give you a fresh connection, fresh plug into the servers. Perfect, we're in the lobby. We're going to press X to start and join in. It's going to get the data center's data, and it's going to help us load into the game. So there's a lot of people on the servers right now. It's going to take a bit more time than it usually would. It's updating the playlist. This is exactly what we're going to see. You know, expect to stand here for a minute or two, especially while the game is new. And we're in. See, that took, as you can see it live time, took about 25 seconds. Whatever, cool, we're in. Then we're going to select Warzone. Perfect, this is exactly what we did last time. We're on quad. We're going to start, we're going to find a match. And this time, hopefully, it's going to get us into a game. Last time it took us for a while. Our ping is less than 14 ms, which is not too bad. So hopefully right now, we're going to load up into a lobby. And you can see there we're slowly filling up with players in the bottom left hand corner right now. So we're getting to about 100 players left, waiting, loading level. We're going to be in, we merge with another lobby. This is fantastic. And you can see right now the match and the game is about to start. We're in. Sadly, only 2 or 4 players. I can't lie, that matchmaking by COD is not the best, but they're going to probably fill us in with some more players straight after this game. We're in. Fantastic. And there you have it, guys. We're in the game. Fantastic.
I thought, okay, let's go. You thought I wanna show some things up in our minds. They do not seem to change. All day and all night through our phases. Let's talk about these places. I wanna go.
Smoked.